Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be the last video from my old kitchen, but this is a great recipe that I still wanted to share with you, and it's very cheesy and delicious. So you want to start out by cutting down an onion. And you also want to go ahead and cut down some smoked tofu. I like to cut it down quite small. I don't like it in very big chunks. Now in a pan you want to start frying the onions a little bit with some oil. Now you want to also cut down your zucchini. And then you want to start frying the tofu as well, and after a minute or so you can add in the zucchini as well. Then you want to add some salt and some pepper and just let that cook for maybe 5 minutes on medium heat. And when you have the feeling that everything is cooked quite nicely, you want to take it off the heat. Now you can go ahead and add a little bit of a vegetable stock as a seasoning. Give that a good mix. And then you want to let that cool down a bit. You want to mix 2 eggs together. And then you want to go ahead and add the cheese to the zucchini mixture. Again, mix that in. And then while you're mixing, you want to go ahead and drizzle in the eggs. Now this is complete. You want to take your dough and you want to put about a big spoonful of the filling onto each of these little dough pieces. You can do it bigger as well, then you just have to let it sit in the oven for longer. You want to close off these little bags, and I like using a fork to press together the ends. And then you can take another egg, mix it quickly, and then just brush it onto them so they turn nice and brown and crispy from the outside while baking. And then you're ready to bake them with 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And they turned out so delicious. I really enjoyed them, and I hope you give them a try as well. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!